Hello, Warren here again with the Peach State Prime channel, and today in this video we're looking at Ripley's Mirror Maze here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Hope you'll join me, and let's hope we can make our way out of here. Alright, let's see, we got these tubes here that change colors, and then now we're gonna get lost. You're probably going to see a lot of me in this video thanks to the mirrors. And of course, they put us in these plastic gloves so we don't dirty the mirrors. Oh, and there's two of me, so I'm going to say that that's the wrong way. Ran into myself there. And, oh, jeez. Ran into that mirror. Another dead end there. What's this over here? Oh, we're like in a whole room full of rainbow tubes now.
Yeah. What was that? The floor.
Even the floor is kind of mirrored. Whoa, okay, and I'm running into a wall here. Okay, I think this is just a room. I don't think there's another exit. Okay. Try to get out of here. That's the emergency exit. That's not the exit we're looking for. Ooh, these eyeballs here. All right. Let's see. Oh, that's another mirror. Looks like we have some other, let's see, are these two screens or one? Oh, it's one screen, okay. Okay, this is another corner over here. Keep ending up. Okay, is this the exit up here? Am I about to walk into a mirror? Okay.
I will go back into that room of disorientating.
Okay, and then did we find our way out? Find our way out? We did. Alright, so that was Ripley's step down there. That was Ripley's Mirror Maze here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. A lot of fun. A little short, but a good time nonetheless. Especially worth it if you have the combo pass for various Ripley's attractions. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, feel free to give it a like if you did. And of course, subscribe for more content like this so that you're aware when it comes out. And feel free to leave a comment. Let me know if you've done a mirror maze before and what you think of them. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.